Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by last player of the game, Xavier Lucena, and winning head coach, Chico Picolero. Coach, all players have scored today. How happy are you with how deep the rotation of Monongia is and how everyone's contributing and stepping up to the plate?
Yeah, that's the first of all, I'd like to thank Lord Jesus Christ for this win. And regarding your questions, of course, very happy because everybody step up, everybody contributes, and yun naman yung system namin. Okay, just try to go hard every time we step on the court, give our 100%, and then if mga players na nagaling from the bench, kumbaga ready din sila ang maglaro, and kita naman natin sa game, everybody happy. They are also encouraging each other, they are supporting each other. So, yan. But, you know, sabi ko nga kanina sa iyo, it's not the goal is how we will finish strong. So, yes, we were happy we have a good start compared for last two conferences. But, we're still far from our goal, and we still keep on working hard every time we prepare for the game. So, I think we just rest for a day, and then we work back again to the court to prepare for our next game.
Thanks, Coach. Xavier, you've been showing up for your team this whole conference. What were the factors that helped you deliver?
Yeah, first of all, like Coach said, all praise be to Jesus Christ, and just a quick shout out to my family back home for always watching, waking up. And, you know, I think it's just, like I told you guys before the game, it's just putting in consistent work and then trusting your skills when you go out there. And then obviously, my teammates finding me in spots and the coaching staff trusting me and putting me on the floor. So it's no one thing.
The floor is now open if the media has any questions.
Congratulations. In the second quarter, you guys went on that 23-0 run. What made you turn up the notch in that set run?
I think just knowing we started how we didn't want to start that way, you know, and we know that, you know, we play to our fullest potential, and the outcome we expect is the one that we got, but just getting to that in the second quarter and like just turning up the energy because we needed to, you know, extend our lead and really put the game away early. So yeah, it was just we needed to play better so we wouldn't have to play as hard down the end.
You got two straight games winning by a huge margin, but the next two Sundays you have two games against NLEX and Rain or Shine. So, what's your thoughts on that? Two competitive teams.
Yeah, I think whoever's in front of us, whatever our next game is, the approach has to be the same, preparation has to be the same, just like Coach said. So, you know, we're unbeaten right now. We want to keep it that way. So we have to prepare the right way, and we have to go into it with the right mindset. You know, any team can beat us on any given day, and we know that. So we just have to play the right way and come prepared, and we should be fine.
Coach, same question also. NLEX and Rain or Shine in susunod.
Yeah, I think, you know, the key there is preparation. It's like what Xavier told us. It's all about our mindset. We cannot afford to relax now because we faced I think the NLEX also one of the hottest team right now. They win 3 consecutive games, and we will prepare for a battle on Sunday. We start maybe on this game. So yun muna. Let's rest and think about the game plan on Sunday.
Coach, good evening. Coach, at least in this kind of game, you were able to give playing minutes dun sa bench, no? Which I think it would be a huge help sa team moving forward.
Yes, yun naman yung isa sa advantage siguro na we have a deep bench. I used to have 13 players every time, and now he's 15. So I think down the stretch or in the latter part of the conference, it might help us to have a fresh legs, because we have a system, we have an our defense that we need some pace on our defense and offense. So yung rotation namin very important. So yun sa tinatakbo ng system namin. So that's why we keep on trying na rotate para mas fresh yung legs namin at magawa namin yung gusto namin gawin.
Kung si Napilipis, binigyan mo ng minuto, bukod doon sa binigyan mo ng minuto, ano ba talaga yung naging role niya ngayon? Kasi parang medyo active din siya sa coaching staff.
It's always naman, gano'n naman talaga si Rafi. He's very active in the bench, talking to his teammates. If they have some suggestions, he also told me about it. But we're very open to players, especially si Rafi, dami na experience niya. So, of course, Rafi naman is always ready. Just try to give him some minutes para if in case we need him in the future, like what we did against San Miguel, we use him at least 4 or 5 minutes June mark. So, yun yung mga ganong sitwasyon. We're always ready.